In this video, you will learn how to find cover photos for your Notion pages. By the end of this guide, you will know how to select and apply images that enhance the visual appeal of your workspace. Start by opening the Google Chrome browser on your computer. This is essential as Notion works best with this browser, ensuring a smooth experience while navigating the platform. Next, navigate to the Notion website by entering notion.so into the address bar. Once the page loads, you will be prompted to log in if you've not done so already. Enter your credentials to access your Notion workspace. After successfully logging in, you will see your existing pages. You can either click on the plus icon to create a new page or select a page that you have already created from the list. This action will open the selected page for editing. Once your page is open, click on a blank space within the page. This is necessary to allow you to add a cover photo without interfering with existing content. A small menu will appear, providing you with options to customize your page. After that, locate and click on the Add Cover option from the menu. This initiates the process of selecting a cover photo that represents the content of your page effectively. You will see a preview area where the cover photo will be displayed once selected. Next, click on the Change Cover button to explore different options for cover photos. This action will present you with various sources from which you can choose images, including Unsplash, a popular resource for high-quality photos. Choose the image that you want from the provided options. You can scroll through the thumbnails to find an image that resonates with the theme of your page. Selecting an image will automatically apply it as your cover photo. After you've made your selection, you may want to click on Unsplash for even more image choices. This will redirect you to a broader gallery of images, allowing you to find the perfect visual for your page. Finally, choose the image you prefer from the Unsplash options. Once selected, it will replace any previous cover and enhance the overall aesthetic of your Notion page. Remember that a well-chosen cover photo can significantly improve your workspace's visual organization. That wraps up today's guide on finding cover photos in Notion. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.